So, bali ito na yung ano, yung pinirito natin isda. 3 piraso lang kasi unom ramang kabuukod, kalahating kilo lang. Hello, please like and subscribe guys. Thank you so much for coming guys. I don't know what is your name because it's maybe Thailand, but thank you for like and subscribe guys. Thank you so much for viewers watching my live this morning. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Okay. So, we're cook Filipino food. Okay, paksiw. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for lovely comments. Thank you so much guys. Okay, ito na gagawin na natin to. Timplahan na natin guys ang ating dagan na to suka no. Okay. Yan. Nga na to og sabaw gamay. No. Nga na to suka. Maasin. Nga na to og mantika guys. Mantika no para og maluto na siya, magsinaw-sinaw ng marag upaw. Okay. Angan og asin. First asin. Okay guys, this is asin. Ito asin. Asin guys, salt. This is bitchin, not sugar, okay? It's seasoning. Okay. Lagyan natin ang paminta, black pepper. Where's the black pepper? Black pepper. Nahalo man may mga ano po, dahon-dahon. It's a black pepper guys. Okay. Or pabango. Smell good. Lagyan natin ng garlic and then fingernails. Okay. So, itawag ano eh. Okra man na sa Bisaya. Finger lady. So, mamaya maglalasa na yan. Ito na ilalagay natin para masabay na siya luto. Kasi nantutukan na ito o kuan, bawang, garlic. Okay, tukan na ito o bawang. Para dito mag-isod o